How's everyone doing? What can you guys do with your organizations to make sure that your employees yourself know your values and can actually start using them? So if there's one thing that you guys take away from today, is that each and every single one of you can have an absolutely massive impact in this world. We're trying to take the friction out of philanthropy. People are good-hearted in nature. If you make it really easy and tangible for them, they'll do it almost every single time. When you fail, you don't get what you want. When you don't get what you want, you gain experience. And experience allows you to be successful. I think what is also needed is transitional calls to action. So what is something that you can do in order to just get them involved, just to get their foot in the door? It might just be, can you take this 1-second survey, this 1-minute survey? It'd be a terrible 1-second survey, oh my God.